Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're going to show you new Canva tips and tricks, 7 new features in 2024. So let's dive in. Firstly, I'm going to show you its type gradient. So let's just explore it. To do that, I'm going to create a new custom sized project. Let's just create, set size, and go over there, click text, and as you can see, there is nothing. As I said before, there's no type gradient, and you're right. All you need to do is just go to apps, click here, and just fill in type gradient. As you can see, it's already suggesting us, and it is just over there. Click on it, and over here, open. And as you can see, we can change the text here, and you can just use you can see your preview. For example, we're going to give it a title, Canva 24 tips. And as you can see, we can play with it. We can choose which and explore a lot of fonts. And for example, I'm going to work maybe with this one. Go back, and as you can see, it looks not too quite well. We can just use this one and adjust line height. As you can see, it's simple. Okay, also you can use alignment. Center it, right, left. Let's choose another one because it doesn't match for our design. Maybe we need to choose something like this. Go back, and as you can see, it's making it more cartoonish. And also we can just play with it. Let's just choose, for example, first color of your gradient. Maybe it will be this red one. Second one will be maybe something greenish or bluish, maybe something this one. And as you can see, you can play with it a lot. And all you need to do is just then click add to your design, and it will process that, and you can see it's already here. And the other one is called the enhancer, and it's placed over here in apps also. So let's just deal and find it. Just type enhancer, and it is this one. Just click it. Over there, open it. As you can see, it can enhance your low quality image. Just choose over there your image, and we uploaded our image. Just choose it, go back to your enhancer, click choose file, and as you can see, it's uploaded. You can also just toggle on your enhance face function, and over there click enhance image, and you need to wait a little bit, and it increases your image. As you can see, it's already better than it was in first. We can just try to compare. As you can see, this one, the original one, and this one, enhanced one. As you can see, it's a huge improvement. So you can use it for your own pictures. And the next one, it's called Wave Generator. It's one of my favorites yet. You can just go to apps and find Wave Generator. Click open, And as you can see, it's a simple functionality that is going to work with some of you, and it is really helpful for sometimes. But especially the Canva added a new app that is called CanWave. As you can see, it's right under the first one. Just click it and open it. And it's really fun because, as you can see, you can just play with it. You can see how smoothly it is. You can just play with it. For example, you can do it by retro styles, and it's really cool function. Just try to delete. You can play with it. You can play with it high, with complexity, with color variations. You can also choose any of them. For example, this one. And it looks great actually. For example, you can just play with it a little bit, adjust your height variations. Also, you can change shapes, use gradients, lines, and that's great. And, okay, let's try to create some design with it. Just resize it, and for example, we're giving a title. Let's just resize it somewhere right here and change the color. For example, this one. As you can see, it looks pretty. And you can play with it until you're happy with your design. Okay, so now we're going to talk about different other stuff that is interesting, and it's called Photostylist. It's a really interesting app when you can just upload your image and it will just change the style. So let's try. Just click and choose your file. So I uploaded a cat photo and I'm going to just choose sketch style and click generate image, and we'll be waiting a little bit. And as you can see, it just already changed our original photo to sketchy cat, and it looks great actually. So let's try different one. Choose your original image here and just click autumn. Click generate image. And we'll be waiting a little. Just let's place cat here. And this one looks great too. Okay, let's try with abstract one. And select abstract one. Click generate. And we'll be waiting to see a result. Yeah. Not too bad actually. As you can see, it just changed it, make it abstract, and you can play with it. It's really fun sometimes. Also, you can just apply the style of another image by clicking here and choosing your second image. Okay, the next one is having to do with blur blush. Okay, so when you brought up a photo from maybe Canva library, which is I bought from, you can see there's a button here or there, edit photo. So I'm going to click it, and as you can see, there is a thing which is called blur. And when you click on it, you can see there's a new tool, brush. But before it wasn't here, so you was able to just blur whole image, and now we can just adjust your brush size, intensity, and just try and play with it. And as you can see, we can just highlight the around our bottle, and it works great. You can just do it to highlight your objects, your products, and it is really helpful to some people. If you made a mistake, for example, like this, you can just click this one and try to highlight these borders, and that's it, like this one, and you successfully restore borders. Blur brush is really helpful if you want blur your background, and it helps a lot, and it is such a useful tool for that. Another thing that we're gonna look at is called a magic media. Basically, it's an AI generator for you. You can just create something, for example, and choose a style. For example, let's choose anime style. Also, you can choose aspect ratio and just try to play with it. You can also click generate image, but the con is that is available only on Pro pricing plan. But you can try, just click generate image and you need to wait a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, we just typed not cat but Katie. So let's just adjust it, our mistake, and click generate again and wait a little bit. And that's it. As you can see, it's successfully generated for cats that are cute and they're lying here. As you can see, you can just place all of them right here, and you can tell that it's definitely look as anime style. Let's just place it here, and this one, this guy over there. We can just play with it and maybe do a little design things, as you can see. Okay, that's it. And the other one, next thing that I'm going to show you is called wavy effect on text. To do that, just go to text section and just add two different text. First one, let's just change our font to this one. It can be any font you want to be. Just click copy, or you can just over there find duplicate option. Click on it, just place it here. Let's just play with it and call it effect, maybe with this one. Okay, and you need to go over there, find effects, and go for shape right here. And as you can see, you are able to play with size and with curve. Let's make it around 60, so that looks kinda cool. Okay, and doing the same with the second one, but we're going to another side around -60, and we're going to place it right here. And this is, you can also just change the text and it will be look great. You can just play with it and find your final design. That's it, friends. It was 7 tips and tricks Canva 2024. If it was helpful, don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorials.